Okay, we hanged out with the people that designed our school, Boston Arts Academy, next to Fenway, which was very cool. It was very cool to learn from them. Okay.
I like that because it's creating a very open space, but that's still divided, and you see that connection.
We talked about architecture such as abstract concepts.
What were your concepts?
It's supposed to be very angular, with a always straight flow, with a nested feeling, with everything being inside one thing or another, with nothing really being alone and separate.
Ooh.
That reminds me of a painting.
Now imagine drawing this.
Also granola bars.
Tírame los dos, güey.
Y'all are the last one. Peanut butter.
Gracias.
I'm not here dying.
Peanut butter what? Granola bar.
Even though. You can just say that you wanted it to be a little bit abstract. For me, it had to be when we had already done our models of our house, and when we were trying to draw them, and with one of the drawings I was trying to put the models that we did into like real life, and I was trying to bring it into life basically, and I did that with color pencils, and I feel like that was pretty fun for me to do. And we were also making a what is this called? A model. Yeah, a model of like Boston Arts Academy and like the area. And here's where the projects are kind of behind the school. And then the last thing that we did, it was like make basically like our own building next to the school.
Can you see in a microscopic level of what you cannot see the straightness of that?
Okay.
You know, you have a larger outdoor area to be eating, or, you know, maybe if we're doing a rock climbing gym, it could be somehow an indoor-outdoor space that you could have an outdoor part of climbing as well as the indoor area.
I transferred this line from a parking lot to a like food mall-esque place, like a food court, and you know, it has like a glass balcony, and you know, I forgot to make the balcony like the railing, but yeah, it's like a boat, but it's a food court.
Can you just explain like what the rest of this model is, and like what are all the other things? Like, why did we even do this model?
Yeah, so basically this is the apartment. This is the apartment. This is a part of Fenway. I think this is like the gate. And this back here is a gas station. Why we needed the rest is because if something doesn't fit in it's not gonna like fit the general vibe of what you're trying to build, and also you want to make sure you're not building like a skyscraper next to the smallest building ever. So,
And why wouldn't you want to do that?
you know, it could ruin the lighting. You know, you could completely shade over
Project.
Boston Arts Academy and the apartments, and like, you know, you're already taking away a piece of land from like the city and the people. As long don't take away their sunlight. So yeah.
Oliver, what would you say about the architects?
I think they were pretty cool. I thought that they were also pretty funny, so I enjoyed that very much. I like the vibe that we had going on in the group.
What is one thing that we did this week or that we saw this week that really sticks out in your memory?
I really liked our last like special guest, especially when it comes to digital rendering, because we got to talk about like the kind of like other parts of digital rendering, such as CGI, along with digital rendering of architecture. And I really enjoyed that because I've always had like a fizzle in the back that I always wanted to, you know, contribute to CGI and all that.
What was it like hanging out with real working architects?
It was absolutely really fun, especially since they are really, really, really nice. It's like, it actually kind of made me understand that the field is kind of like, you know, people just collectively trying to work together and do their thing and have fun at the end of the day, along with contributing to society in their own personal little way. And, you know, there's different ways to enter, if it is through, building, schools, building for businesses, or, just building for yourself.
It was a really cool experience. I learned a lot from them, and they were really nice and accepting and welcoming. So,
Thank you.
To be honest, I think it was pretty cool because they had so much to tell us and so much that we didn't know. And it was like the activities that we were doing were also like stuff that we enjoyed doing and that we were interested in. And I had a lot of fun doing it. And it was pretty cool.
Okay, in one word, architecture is.
Architecture is amazing.
In one word, architecture is.
cool and fun.
One word.
What's the question?
In one word, architecture is.
Amazing. Amazing, wonderful. And very creative. Is that a word? How is it?
Creativity.
Creativity? Can I say that? Creativity.